welcome to JTV's Jewelry Care and Repair Series. My name's John Brooks and I'm one of the jewelers here at JTV. Today's lesson is how to change a watch bracelet with some simple tools from around the house. Matter of fact, you've probably got exactly what you need in that kitchen junk drawer. I got two of them, his and hers. Anyway, what I found today was in his drawer. I've got a paper clip, a pair of needle nose pliers, a small hammer, and I took the liberty of making a jig here. This is a piece of 1.5 by 1.5 piece of wood. I put it in the vise at home and ran my skill saw through it a couple of times to make the groove, allow the bracelet to fit in. And I drilled a couple of holes, which will allow the pin to pass through when you're hammering through the hole. Now, let's get started. The paper clip that I have here, you'll notice I bent already at a right angle, about 1/4 of an inch. That's all we need. We do want to keep it quite rigid. So let's get to work. We'll put this watch in the jig. And if you'll notice, these watches usually will have arrows which designate which way the pin should be pushed through. And the arrow points downwards, so let's put this in the jig. I've marked on the jig where the hole is to make life a little bit easier. Let's gently hammer it through. Okay. Pull that out. Now be careful with this pin. You'll notice here at the end it is crimped, and what that does, it creates compression or friction inside the hole. So when you're taking these pins out with your needle nose pliers, careful not to pinch it at the end, because if you squash that, then you don't have the compression anymore and you do run the risk of losing your watch, a possibility. Let's go ahead and take the other link out. We'll fit that right back in there. Get our paper clip, line it up, gentle tap. There we go. Get our pliers, careful not to grab that crimped end. Out it comes. We'll just take the one link out today. Let's join it back together. That pin must go back in the same way it came out. Hey, there we go. I just like to run my finger over that, make sure we're smooth and we got that in there properly. Let's try it on for size. That's not bad. I could probably use a little bit more adjustment. This clasp, if you look down here at the bottom, does have some other pins which are spring-loaded, and they will allow for a little bit of finer adjustment. Please be careful if you're pulling one of these pins out. You can use the same tool here, your paper clip. They are spring-loaded, so if you're not careful, they'll take off and you'll probably never find them. Anyway, thank you for watching our video today. Be sure to check into JTV's YouTube channel. A lot of good information and a lot of good topics. Thanks for watching today, and please come back soon.